What is up, my little munchkins? Willie the Pooh here. So I've got like a video idea for once. If you can see my face, and my face looks like it's peeling. Yeah, I got skin cancer. I got skin cancer. So yeah, fucking idiots. That's not. I'm just joking. I have. Fuck. What is fucking eczema? So yeah, I suffer from eczema. So I went to the beach like last week Saturday, and I don't know why my friend like he just lived like up the road from me. So we went to the beach with some friends and shit, and yeah, we went early in the fucking morning, like 9 o'clock. No, not 9 o'clock. We left like fucking 9 o'clock. We got to the beach like 10 something, 11. So I ended up leaving before all of them because the sun, and I have eczema, and yeah, reviewing my accessories and stuff like that, daily essentials and stuff like that. So if you like the video, and no, wait. And if any of these things that you see in the video that you like, most they're available in Barbados. So if you want any of them, they're available in Barbados. If you're like watching from like another country, where you have to go online and order some shit. So yeah, Barbados, you can get them here. So let's get on with the video. Oh my nigga, fucking idiot. First thing we'll be starting off are keys. Keys are essential, and keys are the thing that you need to get in the house with. So I got my keys ready. These are the stuff. I'll get them on Bluetooth. So there you go. So the first thing is the LAN. The LAN ring thing for the keys. Just normal. So yeah. Sue. We got Sue here from My Hero Academia. She's saying that I got Sheridan. I don't know where I got this from. My dad just gave me this with the keys on it, so I don't know. That I use it, so it's mine now. The Sue keychain. Bought this for like $10 or something. So this I got this from my ex-girlfriend. I stole it. I used to wear it on with fuck it's called a pendant on the chain. So yeah. The game, I can't remember the game. It's from a game, but I don't know where it's from.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
I know where it's from, but I don't know the game name. Thank you very much. Honda keychain. Not keychain, strap. I don't know. It's called this shit now. But I got this from I can't remember the store name. And this is a separate piece that I got from my best friend. They're very, very dope. They have the Supreme, then it have the Subaru strap, and then all that. But I like the Honda. So yeah, just some random wallet that I got from Sheridan again. It's an all black wallet, but I just written some things on it to just like make it a bit more. So it says, "Let's watch the rain as it's falling down." So yeah, simple stuff in here. My ID, watch card. Oh, what? I just find $10 in bruh. I was looking for knives. I like to carry a knife. This is a box cutter knife, as you can see. For cutting boxes and shit, it's not a sharp, it's a flat tip box cutter knife with the sheath. It's like a separate sheath. So yeah, this is just like, keep it like that. Want to hang something, just put it in there. Yeah. Plus I like green. Green is my favorite color. This, I walk with a lighter because you never know when you need a lighter. I walk with lighters because I like fight fire. I don't smoke. I used to vape, but I walk with a lighter. So if like a loose thread or something in my pants, I can just easily like burn it instead of cutting it, because cutting it will make it worse. So just like, yeah. So when you burn the tip, it just creates this ball, and yeah, it wouldn't be able to come off anymore. Another knife, I like to walk with opener. I walk with it all the time, but I never used it because I use my thief to open my balls and stuff. So yeah, it's a nice accessory. So if you wanna like and open, then it has this one. It's crack, a wind opener, and normal knife. So yeah. Tech wise, I walk with a battery pack. I don't know how much watts it is yet. I gotta look it up. But as you can see, blue light. Focus, please. Right. You can see the blue light. It charges to 4 and it lasts like 3 days. Plus it have like 2 USB, and this is not a regular type charger and stuff, and all the other stuff there if you want to find out how much watts it is or the brand. Yeah, you can pause that, you can read those. Medicine inhaler, I walk with this. This is my sinuses inhaler. Push it up my nose and spray it. So yeah, it's a nice thing to carry because my sinuses act up all the time, and I just put like detailed it with some stuff there. Focus, please. So yeah, it's almost empty. I gotta go get it refilled. Gotta go get it refilled. Stuff like that. Accessory wise, I can't find my. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I can't find my silver jewelry. Well, I can't find them, but this is all I can find. These. My mom gave me these. I think they're available here in Barbados. Pretty cool. I like the brown and the black. Fairy tale. It's pretty worn out. I got this from Sheridan too, from the game store. So yeah, it's pretty rusty. Had it for a long time, like since last year for Christmas. I gotta go buy a new one. But yeah. This was not available here. So if you like it and you want to get one, and you live in Barbados, you can't get one here because it was not purchased here. It was purchased in New York. My mom bring it back for me. How is you undo that? You just gotta put that up, and there's like this slot right here, and gotta tap that in there, so like that. Then I guess that was all of them, like all the small things, because I don't move in that much. If you want to see my fanny pack, I do move with a fanny pack. My spare grown fanny pack that is very mashed up. It doesn't have that much. Big, small. Then the zipper off there. There's like Zips right here. Little pockets here. And stuff here you can hang things from. Yeah. What else? Oh, I move a cream because, again, my eczema. Put that on there. So, that was so fucking stupid. I don't know what I was doing. My life is still trash. I'm dying from skin cancer. Shit like that, man. I don't know what I was doing. This stupid shits. So yeah. So yeah. If you hated the video, put the thumbs down button. Unsubscribe from my cancerous YouTube channel. So yeah. I literally don't know what I'm doing now, to be honest. I don't know. So yeah. So that was just a review and stuff that I carry around. And I gotta put these things back on again because they're a struggle to put back on. And I hate my life. I should die from cancer. No, I shouldn't. No. I shouldn't. I'm making cancer jokes because I am cancer, because my birthday is July. I'm a cancer. My zodiac is cancer. So it's obviously I'm gonna die from cancer. You get me? So yeah, literally don't know what I'm doing right now. Things are going better for me now. Private life things. So yeah, depression, stress, and all that shit. So yeah. I guess making YouTube videos is like an escape from all that shit. So yeah. I hope you like the video and all that. So yeah. Bye bye.